Hello guys, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Welcome to this 15 minutes body weight workout. We're going to do a lot of different muscles here. We're going to work your legs, your hips, your arms, your shoulders, your core. Voila. Let's get ready, grab a mat, and let's get started. We're going to start with legs, big muscles. Let's do glutes as well. We're going to do squats and lunge back. So shoulders are down and back, abs are tight. Let's open your legs a little bit wider. We're going to go down, and then you're going to go straight back. I'm going to try not stepping on Riley, and to lunge. And then we're going to open the legs again, down to squat, and lunge right away. So take your time. There's no rush. And I want you to go straight down, straight up. Try to keep the chest as high as possible. Oh, I need to do this one. So we're just going to alternate your legs, down, up, open your legs again, and then alternate your legs. Let's go. Ready? So take your time. You decide how deep you want to go. You just need to respect your joints. Voila. Again, I'm going to keep an eye on Riley boy. And again, step forward and switch. Now, if you want to watch your front foot, because I see that, make sure it's neutral. You go straight down, push, open your legs. There we go. And take your time, switch your legs. There we go, down and up. So when I feel that I'm stable, then I go down. That's it. And again, shoulders down and back. Abs are tight. I'm going to put my front foot. There we go. And again, forward and back. I'm losing my balance. There we go. And again, right here, down and up. Let's do two more. That's it. And one more. Do you feel it? I feel the burn in my quads. I feel it in my glutes. This is exactly what we need. Down and up. Good. Push forward and march. We're going to do a leg curl. So one leg, like that, okay? Shoulders are down and back. And I want you to do little circle. So I have my right leg up, but that's going to be your left. And I'm standing on this leg. So on the second set, I'm just going to switch. So breathe. There you go. And reverse your circles. Make sure your shoulders are staying down the entire time. 4, 3, 2, that's it. And slowly release. Okay, let's go on your back. We're going to do bridge. I'm going to go back to your legs. I'm going to give you two options. Shoulders down and back, away from your ears. So you know bridge, you can do that. Inhale, exhale at the top, contract the glutes. But now you're more advanced. So you're welcome to cross one leg over, keeping the hips square. And again, keep the same leg that you have bent to do your shoulder circles. That way we're going to know when we're going to repeat the workout, we're going to choose the other leg. Okay? So abs are tight, inhale, exhale, push as high as you can. Can we go for 6? Feel the work in your hamstrings, maybe in your calf, glutes, core. See, everything is working here. 5, 4, and 3. 2 more. Last one. Good. And slowly release. Woo! Now, let's go right here. I'm going to give you, again, options. You can do this one right on the wall. So I want you to go right here in a plank. On your forearms, you're going to push up, shoulders down, and let's go back with the same arm. Then you're going to use the other arm to push, go back down. On your knees or from your toes, try to keep your hips very square. Good. And again, up, up, down, down. Try to do as many as you can. Let's go. So keeping the shoulders away from your ears. If I get tired, I'm just going to drop on my knees. That's it. Can we go for 4? So I much prefer we go slow. And 3. Whoa, I think I'm gonna finish this one. 2, right on my knees. There we go. And 1 more. Beautiful. And down, we're gonna do Sphinx, but I have another option for you. So Sphinx is when you have your elbows right below your shoulders. You're gonna push your shoulders away from you, okay? So I want you to try to separate your shoulder blades to each other, and you're gonna stay there. That's your option 1. Or option 2, hands underneath your shoulders, inhale Cobra, then pike up to downward facing dog. And then you're gonna come back from your knees all the way down, Cobra, and downward. I'm gonna do this one. So choose your option, you stay in Sphinx, or you do this one, Cobra, downward. Inhale, exhale. So make sure your shoulders are staying away from your ears. Abs are tight. Try to avoid arching your back. Good. Can we go for 2 more? Are you still in Sphinx? Woo. And 1 more. Good. And slowly release. Let's go on your side. We're going to do the clam. Let's go lay on your side. We're going to do both sides. And I'm going to give you again 2 options. So I'm going to create a pillow with my arm. Arms are tight, shoulders are relaxed. You're going to open like that. We've done this one before. So option 1 is here. Option 2, you're going to lift your heels off the mat and you're going to open. So again, I'm going to choose this one. Ready? Inhale, exhale to open. You can use a cushion as well. I'd like to see your head in line with the rest of your spine. So down. That's right. I can use Riley as well. Good. 6. Feel the work in your glutes, in your hip area. In 4, 3. Inhale. Exhale 2. And 1 more. Stay up. 6, 5, 4. Abs are tight. 3, 2. That's it. And slowly release. Let's switch side. Of course, we're going to do both legs. Sorry. Okay. Right here. Abs are tight. Shoulders are down and back. Let's go. You choose option 1 or option 2. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Stay up, open. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release and feel the work. We have 1 more exercise before we repeat all of them. I like we can do a plank. So on your knees or on your toes. You can even do this one. See, option 1, open to the side, and we're going to switch. Okay. Option 2, you go plank on your knees. Right here, inhale, exhale, twist, down, exhale to twist. Or go from your toes and twist. Let's go. So take your time. I much prefer you go slow. You're going to work harder. Inhale, exhale. Nice. I'd like him to exercise a little bit more. Come on, Riley. Downward facing dog. Good. Again. We're going to go for 4 more. Are you ready for it? 3, 2. 1 more time. Woo. Good. And slowly release. You're welcome to have water. And let's repeat 2nd time. Let's go back. Squat to lunges. Open your legs, shoulders down and back, abs tight. Let's go. Whoops, I should go away. Let's go down and go back. Again, make sure your foot is neutral. You go as deep as you want. Let's go down. Inhale, exhale. Let's go. Again, inhale, exhale. Take your time. Like I said earlier, you're going to work harder. Good. Keep your chest as high as you can. That's it. We're going to go for 4. I love losing my balance though. 3 more. And 2. One more time. Good. And slowly release, push forward and march. Let's move to shoulder circle. So now we're going to switch the legs. Shoulders down and back, abs are tight. And let's go. Little circles. And I want you to feel the burn in your shoulders, but please keep your shoulders down. We're already so tight in the neck area. We don't need to create more tension. And let's reverse. Let's go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. There we go. Let's go for bridge, right on your back. So if you decide to go for 2 legs, you're going to go right away. If not, please choose the other leg. We're going to go inhale, exhale up, contract your glutes, and do what you can. Try to bring your butt as high as you can. That's it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more. And last one. That's it. And slowly release. Let's go for tricep press. Again, you decide to do it from here or even on the wall. It works well. On your knees or on your toes. When you're ready, let's go. So I like to even open more my legs. That's why I'm going to have more stability at my hips and try to go as slow as possible. Inhale down, exhale up. 4 more. 3. This is a hard one. We need to work your triceps, by the way. Biceps are naturally strong because we carry kids and groceries. Good. And slowly release. Good job. We're going to go in Sphinx. Again, that's your option number 1 when you bring your elbows below your shoulders and you push your shoulders away from each other. Or you're going to do Cobra and downward facing dog. Choose your option. Let's go. Inhale. Exhale. Good job. I'm going to try to go for 6 more. Riley is so quiet. We can do whatever we want with him. How's your arms? Are they burning? I did a lot of triceps as well today at the gym, so I feel them. I think we have 3 more to go. Are you relaxing your shoulders? And 2. And 1 more time. Good. And then we're going to turn on your side. And let's do clam. So again, rest your head right here. Choose your option to keep your heels on the floor or up. Inhale, exhale. If you don't need your hand right here, bring it right on your hip. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more. Keep your knees open and feel it in your hips. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Beautiful. Release and let's switch. Again, support your head. When you're ready, abs tight, shoulders relaxed, open. Inhale, exhale to open. Again, if you don't need your hand here for support, put it right on your hip. 6, 5, 4, 3. How many more? My favorite number 2. And last one. Beautiful. And slowly release. We're going to go in plank. That's your last exercise already. So plank and open your arm up. So you know you can do it from your knees or here or right here from your toes. Choose your option. Please alternate. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Again, please take your time right here. There's no rush. I much prefer quality than quantity. Can we go for 6, 5, 4, and 3. 2 more. And last one. Good. And slowly release. Voila. That was your workout. If you want more, please go on my website, www.abstractfitness.ca. And I hope to see you soon.